Meanwhile, Mr. Holness says climate change is the biggest challenge facing the region. He pointed to hurricanes Maria and Irma, which affected several Caribbean countries, as well as recent flood rains that affected Jamaica, as evidence of its impact.
I have one message for the international community. One message. It is better to invest in climate resilience than to seek to give us aid after the damage is done. And much of what is promised at many of these aid conferences when countries are damaged, you can't get it. You promise you billions, and then all kinds of obstacles in the way, you don't get the funds.
He says small island developing states need a system to build resilient infrastructure to stand up to the ravages of climate change.